This is my first attempt at trying the Jane Iredale HydroPure Tinted Serum. Jane Iredale makeup is described as skincare makeup, so this has hyaluronic and CoQ10 in it. I'm not really sure how much coverage to expect, so I put a few pumps on the back of my hand and then rubbed it around to see the consistency. This tinted serum is also described as having a translucent coverage. So really what you're going to get is a very plump, radiant, even possibly a more evened out skin tone, but it's not going to be coverage where it will cover a blemish or a scar. I would recommend this more for somebody who doesn't want to look like they're wearing foundation and it doesn't want to feel like they're wearing foundation. After blending, I pressed the rest in with my hands just to make sure it gave a very skin-like finish, and I love the finish. It looks like your skin, but better. I just wanted to go in with a little bit of concealer to add some more coverage just in the hollows of my eyes, my T-zone, and then on the sides of my cheeks. In my opinion, the tinted serum really boosted my skin, made me look like I was healthy, radiant, and vibrant, so I would absolutely recommend if you're looking for a no foundation look.